Hi guys, welcome back to the Nifty City channel. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? I hope July month was a terrific series for everyone. So moving forward, uh, finally Nifty is back uptrend में. We had close to 8 months of a bearish market, but it has bounced back very well. We were lucky enough to catch, I can say almost 80 to 90% of the up move for all our premium members as well. So बहुत मजा आया जुलाई महीने में, बहुत अच्छे रिटर्न्स दिए. नाउ लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड, व्हाट नेक्स्ट? ठीक है, एज वी ऑल नो काफ़ी बुलिश हो चुका है, काफ़ी रनअप दिया है, रिवर्सल होने वाला है, पुल बैक होने वाला है, क्या होने वाला है आगे. So let's discuss, right? So last week, so we had discussed 15,900, then we discussed 16,500. Last week, we discussed that there will be a pullback and we are expecting some kind of volatile markets with a target of 16,400 on the downside as a good support. 16,430 ke around market bounced back. Although we were not expecting it to cross 17,000 in this week itself, it has crossed 17,000. I updated in the free Telegram group as well. Do not look for reversals, only look for buying. So common mentality क्या होता है once the market start rallying is, यार और कितना ही बढ़ेगा, और कितना ही बढ़ेगा, short कर लेते हैं. So don't go and short the markets just based on कि कितना ही बढ़ेगा. बहुत बढ़ सकता है यार. FII have foreign institutions have turned net buyers after almost 9 months, and once big money is involved, markets can rally kitna bhi. So let's quickly get into what we're going to discuss today. Like last time, going to keep the video short. Quickly we will discuss Dow Jones, which is our US market, followed by Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so now this is the Dow Jones का monthly chart. तो पहले monthly chart पे देखते क्या होता है. So एक तो एपिक पेन खोल लेता है, ऑलवेज फॉरगेट. सो डाउ जोन्स पे क्या है, बेसिकली व्हाट वी हैव इज दिस रेड लाइन इज द 21 EMA. ओके, नाउ डाउ जोन्स में वी हैव ब्रोकन द 21 EMA. We had broken the 21 EMA, which has not happened in Nifty, which is a very crucial sign that we are doing, we are better off than the US market. अब Dow Jones में we'll use our simple Fibonacci retracement tool. This is our COVID low and this is our high. Okay, recent high जो लगा था last all time high. Now as you can see, exact 38.2%, which is a golden ratio, उधर से Nasdaq, Dow Jones has bounced. Okay, which has not happened in Nifty. Okay, no, I'm not saying it is going to happen anytime soon. It is not going to happen in Nifty also. Just giving you guys an overview. Now it has bounced. Now if we look at the daily time frame. Now daily time frame of Dow में क्या है? We have this resistance level along with 200 EMA coming here. So this level is coming to what? 33,235. Currently we are standing at 32,845. So still there is a space of close to, I can say, around 400 points ka upside left. In whom? In Dow. एक 400 point का upside is left in Dow until it gets a major resistance. Udhar se there can be some kind of a pullback. Now let's compare that to Nifty. Okay, Nifty mein where we are. Okay, so certain levels and all are drawn here already. Now this zone will be converted into a support. So now we've been rallying. Now our major resistance area is going to be what for the coming week? Major resistance is going to be 17,377 to 17,442. Okay, so 17,377 to 17,442 is going to be our resistance level. Okay, अभी मंडे को मोस्टली गैप अप इज एक्सपेक्टेड. मंडे को परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा ही रहेगा निफ्टी का. सो डोंट जस्ट गो अंधाधुनी, गो एंड ट्राई एंड शॉर्ट निफ्टी. Okay, it can backfire very badly. Already we are at 17,280 as per SGX Nifty closing, right? So we are expecting a gap up on Monday as well. From Tuesday onwards, okay, I could be wrong. It could be Monday second half. It could be Tuesday second half. Maximum by Tuesday second half, we can see some kind of a pullback in Nifty. Now, this pullback, okay, after such a great rally, this pullback can be sharp, okay? But having said that, at any kind of pullback, जब भी price नीचे आएगा, at any kind of pullback, we should not look to, we should look to buy Nifty on dips. Okay, now buy where on dips? So again, we will use our Fibonacci tool. So recent wave ka low we'll mark. Now let's assume that Nifty maximum will travel till 445. Okay, so maximum Nifty, if it travels till 445, 61.8%, the last retracement level will come right जहाँ से हमने ये zone में breakout किया था. Okay, so somewhere around 16,800. So first support will be somewhere around 17. So 100 point के supports we have 17, 16,900 followed by 16,800. Okay, these are the supports. Worst case scenario, 16,500 is going to be our final support in case of any drastic pullback. Cool है? So simple theory is going to be what? Monday का 15-minute high and 15-minute low mark कर लेना. अगर मंडे को गैप अप, okay, somewhere suppose there's a drastic event and we open somewhere around here, okay, all possibility that market can go a little sideways and then hit this zone and then fall back. Okay, now another important thing to remember is we have two important gaps that are not filled here. Okay, two important gaps. So I believe in the coming week we should see gap filling of this. ये जो gap है ये fill हो जाएगा, I believe, in the coming week. I think this gap is going to be left not filled for now. Going in the future, it may get filled. That is around, I think, September end ke around, we may see this gap being filled. For now, I think this zone 16,940 से लेके 17,000 के बीच में we can see some kind of a pullback. If we see our open interest 17,000 पे काफी अच्छी put writing है. This will only get more strong. कल अगर gap up होता है तो we will see even more put writing at 17,000. So this is going to act as a major support. Psychological number भी होता है 17,000. Very good. Now if we see, a lot of people would have noticed कि यार Nifty is trending, but our portfolios are still in negative. They have not recovered much. Why does that happen? Because right now we have seen large caps rallying. Now what will happen is when Nifty will come for its pullback, after the pullback, you will see mid cap and small caps doing very well. So my advice to everyone will be, I'm not saying you go short on large caps. Don't go short on large caps. But if you're buying stocks for investment purpose and even F&O, I would suggest you go for mid and small cap stocks. Now, which stocks to buy, mid cap, small cap, etc., we will be sharing with our premium members as usual. So if you guys are interested, then you all can join our premium membership. We have also introduced a 7 days plan, okay, which is very affordable. It's $299 only for 7 days. 1 month is $999. And then as you go for a bigger plan, obviously you get more and more discounts. Please hit the like button. Helps us a lot. So before we move ahead, please hit the like button. Okay, so my probability in all probable scenario is this gap will get filled right here. Okay, and we may, now this I'm not sure, we may test this support zone of 16,800 again. Okay, so major resistance 377 to 442. ये zone में please go ahead and do your profit booking. Very important, guys, to have a clear head and to have conviction. Okay, ऐसा नहीं every day your view on Nifty is changing. You should have a clear view, clear plan, clear direction. Nifty is currently an uptrend. So please don't go and start shorting Nifty anytime in an uptrending market. At any point of time, data can turn like this. Okay, चुटकियों में data बदल सकता है. Markets can rally a lot. If you're buying naked option, so it can backfire immensely. Okay, so keep the simple thing in your mind. कि you have to look for buying opportunities. Buying opportunities when the market corrects a little bit, अच्छे value पे, अच्छे support zones पे, as soon as the market is retesting its breakout zones, you have to start buying stocks and the index. ये दिमाग में रखना. Don't keep finding ideas to short the market. Find ideas to buy the market. Okay, this is my primary advice. For example, you can also use hedge. Okay, now this is what I had done. So I had gone ahead and bought Nifty last week, 17,000 call option at 38 rupees. Okay, because my conviction was very clear that the market is going to uptrend. Market is in uptrend. I had to buy on dips. So at 38.28, I bought 17,000 CE. As soon as the dip came, 16,400, 500 k around when the market was there, I went ahead and bought 17,000 CE at 38 rupees. Okay, once I got the rally, I went ahead 17,200 का ऑप्शन कॉल ऑप्शन मैंने सेल करके अपने पोजीशंस को हेज कर लिया. लॉन्ग वीकेंड भी है, सो वी कांट कैरी नेकेड पोजीशंस फॉर द लॉन्ग वीकेंड. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ वी create hedges and this is how we move forward. Now quickly coming to Bank Nifty. Okay, now Bank Nifty में क्या है? Bank Nifty में we have a overhead resistance of 37,988, 38,000 आप पकड़ लीजिए. We have a resistance कहाँ से आ रहा है हमारे पास? रेजिस्टेंस आ रहा है ये पॉइंट से, यहाँ जहाँ हमने कंसोलिडेट किया था वो पॉइंट से एक रेजिस्टेंस आ रहा है हमारे पास. नाउ important factor that is going to lead Bank Nifty is going to be SBI के results. Okay, at any point of time अगर SBI के results कुछ ज़्यादा ही positive आ जाते हैं, we can see a breakout of this level. But if SBI results are average, good also, but not very good, then we will see some kind of profit booking in Bank Nifty as well, which would be led by SBI. Okay, so this gap again, I expect Bank Nifty to fill somewhere around 36,799, 36,800 के आसपास. We can see Bank Nifty 9 EMA भी है इधर somewhere close by. So this is my target. This is the resistance of 38,000. Right? If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so that you guys get notified every time we upload a video. Rest, we will be in touch on Telegram. We have a free channel. We have a premium channel. We have an Instagram handle where we're uploading a few ideas. So you guys can follow us everywhere. Links आपको description में मिल जाएंगे. All the very best for the coming week. Repeating my view, Monday can be bullish. Tuesday maybe second half, या Monday second half से we can see some kind of pullback starting. Pullback will be sharp. Don't get scared. Always look for buying opportunities in an uptrending market. Right? Take care, guys. All the best for tomorrow.